Hi guys, we received this gold raindrop pendant light for event purposes, and I think it's a pretty one. Well, they are pretty, but this one especially because outside it has a bubble design. This is the installation manual. It's very easy to install it. And here it is. It's really nice. As I've said, it's like a raindrop, which I like a lot. And here we've got a protective film protecting the base. Okay, it's a beautiful design. I liked it a lot. And in here we've got all the connections, okay? And also comes with everything you need to install it, so you don't have to worry. You could adjust the length of the wire by turning this little knob right here. So let's go and install it. Okay, so as you can see, now it's ready. It's really nice. I like a lot how it looks. And let's turn it on. Really nice. It reminds me of those old lava lamps that I used to have when I was younger. And it's a really nice. It's solid glass. It ain't classic, nothing like that. It gives a really nice and comfy light. I like a lot. You can even adjust it higher if you want it, but I set it like this, so it's really nice. Okay, I would really recommend it. I like it a lot.